Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will start by ensuring Docker is installed and running, because Jenkins runs reliably inside containers. Pull the official Jenkins LTS image and create a persistent volume for /var/Jenkins home so your jobs survive restarts. Once done, expose port 8080 and map your SSH keys or credentials store into the container. Make sure firewall rules permit access. This gives you a reproducible, isolated Jenkins instance and prevents configuration loss when containers are recreated. You now configure Jenkins to build and deploy with Docker. Start Jenkins via Docker Compose for repeatability, and if you need Jenkins to run Docker commands, mount /var/run/Docker. Sock into the container. This lets agents build images without separate Docker daemons. Then install pipeline and Docker-related plugins so you can script builds. Create an admin user, add Docker host credentials, and define agent templates or labels. These steps let you orchestrate builds, run containers as agents, and keep credentials safe for CI. Finish by creating a pipeline job and committing a Jenkins file that builds, tests, tags, and pushes Docker images to your registry. Use declarative pipeline with stages and credentials ID for secure registry access, and make sure workspace volumes are writable. Once done, trigger the pipeline and watch logs to confirm image artifacts. If something breaks, check the Jenkins container logs, verify Docker, SOC permissions, and ensure plugin versions match your Jenkins core. Fixing those usually resolves most integration problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.